Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Honda Civic. To begin, lightly sketch the basic rectangular outline of the car's main body. This initial shape will serve as your foundation. Next, draw a horizontal line for the ground plane and a vertical line through the center to help establish symmetry and proportion. Remember to use very light pencil strokes for these initial construction lines, as they will be erased later. Now, let's add the wheels and their arches. Carefully draw 4 circles for the wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced along the baseline. The front 2 wheels should appear slightly larger than the rear 2 to create a sense of perspective. Above each wheel, sketch a gentle semicircle to form the wheel arch. These elements are crucial for defining the car's stance and overall balance. With the wheels in place, it's time to define the Civic's body. Carefully outline the roofline, windshield, and side windows, paying attention to their distinct angles. Next, add the door lines and the small, yet important, side mirrors. Begin sketching the front grille and the unique contours of the headlights. These details start to give your drawing its recognizable Honda Civic character. For the final touches, carefully darken the main outlines of your Honda Civic, making them stand out. Gently erase all the initial construction lines you drew. Now, add the smaller, intricate details such as the door handles, the Honda emblem, and the taillights. Finally, use shading techniques to create depth and dimension, bringing your drawing to life with a realistic finish. Congratulations on your new Civic sketch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.